Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and removing the battery and AC. This prevents shorts and accidental power. Next, you ground yourself with an ESD strap and organize fasteners so reassembly is smooth. Once done, remove the bottom cover and shielding to expose the motherboard. Identify the GPU by its large BGA package and nearby VRMs. You should also note thermal paste and cooler mounting points. These details matter because they determine how you clear heat and access solder joints later. You now move to controlled heating. Preheat the board to 90-110 degrees C to reduce thermal shock, then apply hot air at roughly 300-340 degrees C focused on the GPU. Use plenty of liquid flux to help solder flow. Once the solder liquefies, lift the chip gently with a vacuum pick or fine tweezers. Do not yank. After removal, clean all residual solder and flux with a solvent and a soft brush, and inspect pads and vias under magnification to assess pad integrity and any lifted traces. You finish by preparing the replacement. Either reball the chip or use a pre-balled GPU, aligning it precisely with the BGA pads. Reflow with a proper thermal profile and cool slowly to avoid warping, then reinstall heatsink with fresh thermal paste and reconnect all cables. Once reassembled, power on and verify post and display output. If the system fails to detect the GPU, check power rails, continuity of critical BGA nets, and receipt display cables. These are the most common fail points and often fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.